We're Meezbo, and for the past 12 months, we've been researching, designing and prototyping this stylish and revolutionary indoor microgreens grower. It's designed to grow superfoods which pack a nutritional punch in under 10 days. Did you know microgreens can contain up to 40 times more nutrient and antioxidant levels than more mature plants? Our mission was to present to the world a fully automated and classy product that will grow healthy food with minimum effort. Having to grow your own plants can be an extra worry, especially when you need to remember to water them or clean accidental soil spreading. With its unique features, the Meezbo grower takes care of everything, so you can get on with your normal life and be able to enjoy a freshly grown plant on your table at the end of a busy day. We've designed our product with one thing in mind: sustainability. We've kept plastic use levels to a minimum, and even the only one plastic part used is BPA-free. Our natural wooden trays are crafted to perfection, and in order to keep our environmental promises, with every single product you buy, a tree will be planted in a location of your choice. It comes in a variety of colours and sizes, so you can choose the one that best suits you and your home. Growing microgreens has never been easier. Open the app and choose the seeds for Meezbo to grow. Spread them over the natural hemp mat that replaces soil. Watch them grow and get live updates about the growing process within the app. Meezbo will take care of providing light and water in cycles adapted to each type of plant. And thanks to the integrated sensors and automated software that controls it, it can adapt the growing process to any environment. This makes it a versatile product, which you can keep in any corner of your home. You'll get notified when the plants are ready to crop. Enjoy them in your favourite foods, or if you're out of ideas, open the app and get inspired from our Microgreens cookbook. We need your help to bring this product to life and create a more sustainable future. And don't forget, by backing us, you're investing in your health.